this way. That's what I've told myself as of late. I'll put it down anytime. First let me finish this bottle of wine. There's more to life than that bottle, but you're too drunk to see. You're still running from some monster